Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video we're going to be doing another craft with me video, but this time we're going to be making some handmade cards. As you guys know, I love making cards, so I wanted to do a video doing some easy Halloween cards using the cutter parts that come with collections. Sometimes we don't know what to do with these, and I love to use these to make cards. So I want to show you what I did here. Let me get up and show you guys how I stitched up all these little cutter parts. So I'm using the Trick or Treat Echo Park collection that came out this year, and I cut them all up and I stitched the cutter part onto some black cardstock paper just to give them a little extra, and just I think they look nicer with some backing instead of just plain. So I backed each and every one up, and we are going to make some handmade cards with this. I'm using 110-pound cardstock paper as my base in white. I cut them down to 5 by 7. So we're gonna make 2 cards today. And I wanna show you guys how you can just bring on the layers and have a nice little Halloween card for a pen pal. So let's see what paper we're going to use. You guys are always asking me for craft with me videos, so here we are. We're gonna do some at least twice a week, and we're going to craft together. Okay, so I'm gonna use oh, I hate that they put the cutter part on the 4 by 6 cutter parts on this paper, because I like that paper. Let's use the plaid one. So we're gonna use the plaid one. You're gonna just measure about how much you're gonna need. That's what I do. I kind of see how much I want showing out of the card, and then I make my little marks. You can get the paper trimmer. We're going to cut that out. I think I'm going to stitch around this paper just because I like the extra stitching. So let me do that and be right back. And we're back, you guys. As you can see, I have stitched all the way around the paper, and I just like the look of that. It gives the card more texture, more dimension. So now we have our first piece of paper that we're going to mat the card with. So I'm just going to add some ATG tape to that and let that be our first layer that we're going to be laying down. I love this plaid. I am obsessed with the way this color is. Like, these colors, the way they go together, they look so good. All right, now I think I want to do a smaller piece here because I'm going to put this one here, and I'm probably going to put like something in the back. So I'm thinking, I love things like at an angle. Sometimes I like it straightforward. I don't know, how should I do it, you guys? Let me see, maybe should I do it like that? But I still feel like I need another layer in the background. I also found this in my stash, and I was thinking to put this right here. So we're going to do that. I love adding layers upon layers upon layers. It just gives the card a little bit more of a character. All right, hopefully I'm still in frame, and hopefully I'm doing this straight. You want to get it as straight as possible because it is a handmade card. So, all right, let's see here. So I'm gonna cut off a piece of this paper, and let me shut this while I do this here. Okay, so we're gonna cut off a piece of this cardstock, and I think we're gonna use this to layer behind this card. So maybe we can tilt this one, but I think I'm going to stitch this one and be right back. And we're back, you guys. As you can see, I have stitched this part and now it just looks better, you guys. I don't know, you don't have to, but I like the way it looks. So I might place it like this. I think I like the way that looks. I love things at an angle, the dimensions. So we're going to add adhesive to this sheet. And we're gonna just place that at an angle. And I think I'm going to add some foam tape to this one to give it some height. This is not the best foam tape. I hate when the foam tape leaves that residue in your hands. I don't like it, but this is from like my local dollar store, not even the Dollar Tree, because the Dollar Tree has even better foam than this. But I'm trying to use up the rest of this one. So we're gonna do it kind of like a crisscross. Doesn't that look better, you guys, when you do it like a crisscross? I love it. Okay, so we're gonna add some of these little, I'm gonna put one over here and one over here. I want to add some of these little ones. And look, you guys, this is a simple little Halloween card that you can send to a pen pal. And you saw how quick we made this. In less than like 5 minutes, you can whip up a cute little card. I love this with these little cutter parts. That's one of my favorite things to use, is the cutter parts, because of that. Let me see, maybe I can put, where's my little, you can even add, I'm gonna add a little bat. Where can we put them? Right here, maybe? Yeah, we can add a little bat right here, or should we put them right here? I think we should put them right here. What do you guys think? Is that not the cutest? I love it. Okay, now we're gonna make our next card. What did I do with my base? What did I do? Do you guys lose things on your desk as well? I do that all the time. I know I had a second base somewhere around here. Oh gosh, you guys. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Found it. Okay, the next piece of paper that I want to use. Oh, there's more cutter parts here. But I'm gonna use the ones that I stitched up already. I think I'm gonna use the black cat one. I like this one. So we're going to use this one. As you can see, I love that little black cat in this collection. And I think I'm gonna use the October 31st. I think that goes perfect with that one. So we're gonna see how much paper we need. And we're gonna line it up. And see where exactly we need to cut our paper. So right here and right where the dot is. So we're going to cut our paper. You guys, I love making cards so much, and a lot of you comment that you enjoy it as well. It's just so fun to me. It's so easy and I enjoy it. So I think what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna do kind of like a band style. I'm gonna actually put this one straight. I like the way that looks, but I'm going to stitch my little papers and I will be right back. Hey guys, we're back. So I have stitched up this paper. I did a little funky stitching on this one and then just a basic stitch all the way around. I stitched up my strip, and I took out a doily because I think I'm going to do that as an extra layer as well. So now we're going to build our card. We're going to add some ATG tape to the back of the larger base. Some matting. You guys see how easy it is to make these cards? All you need is a few supplies, nothing crazy, and you can make a cute little card to add to your Happy Mail. I love this cat paper. Then we're gonna add our strip all the way down. So maybe I should do that kind of like that fold technique. Should I do that? That folding technique? Or should I keep it clean? I don't know. If I should do like that folding technique on the bottom part. Just because it might be a little, let me see. I kind of like the way that looks. I like it. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna stitch right across the fold. You see, you guys, we're winging it here. I think I'm gonna stitch right across this fold and then place it down like that right here. So I will be right back. Okay, as you guys can see, I kind of stitched a little bit with a little fold just because I wanted it to have the end stitch over here and on the bottom. And if I would have put it straight through, I would have had to cut off the fold. So we're going to attach this, and I'm going to do it. I'm trying to think if I should do the doily first and then this, and then place the card right here. That might look nice as well. Or let's see how we had it before, the doily and then the card. I think I like that better. All right, I think I'm not gonna do the foam tape on this one. I'm gonna do the ATG. And we're gonna place this down right here, a little bit more this way. And then the doily. Try not to rip it. I always rip my doily with my ATG gun. Okay. I'm gonna place that right there. And then I'll add foam tape to my card. So then I'll have my dimension there. And see, it takes me time to make them because I'm always back and forth, you guys. So I'm like, should I do this? Should I do that? And I don't like editing, and you know, so you guys are just gonna have to wing it with me as I make these cards or a project. Okay. I like that. It's different. Okay. So I'm thinking we're gonna put a little black one here, a little gold one, not gold, orange one there. I like that, but I want to put something here, maybe one of these. No, maybe one of these black seals. It might look nice right there. I like these. And yeah, you guys, that is our second card. And look at that. And it looks super detailed, and it was super easy to make with just one sheet of paper and some scraps, a doily, your cutter parts. Where's my other card? And look at this, 2 little fancy Halloween cards. Super easy. Thank you guys for coming and joining me during my crafting session, and let me know if you guys like these videos, and stay tuned for the next one, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.